In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Gas Station Simulator on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we need to search up this game at Steam first, and then we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it because we are going to download it on another website. Quickly go to the search bar, search up the game Gas Station Simulator and select the game. Now if you scroll down, then you will find out that this game is available for €19.50, quite expensive. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Once you have clicked on that, then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, we can search up the same game, Gas Station Simulator, do that, and after that we need to select games on the left side. Now once you have done that, then we can sort by price lowest first and scroll a little bit down till we will find a PC version. Now as you can see, we have PC versions over here, but always make sure that this text is marked green, so we need to choose this one, so the game can be activated in our country. Once you have found a PC version which can be activated in our country, then select it. After that, open the game page, and as you can see, we can already download this game for just €7.91 compared to the Steam price of €19.50. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And as you can see, once we have purchased this game, we will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key, so you can download this game through your own Steam account. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!